Hello, Clarissa here at Milam Truck Country, located at 500 River Road in Puyallup. Today we're looking at a black 2010 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. It does come with standard headlights and fog lights, alloy wheels and mud terrain tires, running boards, and a 3-piece removable hardtop along with privacy glass. Let's take a look on the inside. The interior is a black and gray perforated leather interior, high and low gearing, touchscreen digital media display with navigation, Sirius satellite radio capabilities, CD player and MP3 player and AM/FM radio, manual seats and mirrors, power windows and locks, the back seat does fit 3 adults comfortably and does have a sound bar. And in the back, Class 3 tow hitch, a cargo tray, all-weather mats, and an infinity subwoofer. All of our inventory here at Milam Truck Country does go through a thorough service and safety inspection and is beautifully detailed so that you can purchase with confidence. Give one of our sales representatives a call today at 253-845-1766. And thanks for clicking on our virtual tour.